What's up, YouTubers and web workers? Amar here, and in this video I'm going to bring an explanation and give you some instructions on how to download this simple yet powerful funnel, and also how to link everything together. So I don't need to remind you how important is the fact to build an email list while doing any kind of internet marketing business. So this is a great asset to build. So instead of sending traffic directly to affiliate offers, we will be sending that traffic to this simple yet powerful funnel. And this will allow us to capture leads and build an email list that we can contact over and over again. So before I start with this, I would like to ask you kindly to subscribe to the channel and also activate the notifications so you will not miss any of my future videos. Alright, so after you download my free funnel, you will find 3 pages in it: the squeeze page, the confirmation page or thank you page, and the download page where we deliver the product or the freebie that we offer to the prospect to get his email address. So the way it works is that we send highly targeted traffic to the squeeze page, and then the visitors, if they are interested in what we are offering, they will insert their email address in the form here, and after clicking the button they will be taken to this confirmation page where it says here almost done, and we remind them to go ahead to their email inbox and click on the confirmation email. That's the double opt-in. And after that, after they click that link, they will be taken to the download page where they will be able to download the freebie. So what happens in the meanwhile is that their email address will be added to our autoresponder or our email list, and once the email address here, we will be able to follow up in the future days with great value for that prospect and also recommend great offers. And here are the points that we will be covering in this video. So number 1, how to download and edit the files, the 3 pages that we were talking about. And we can do that using free HTML editors. You can just type in Google NVU or Composer and you'll be able to download one of these softwares, and they are what you see is what you get, so it will be very easy to work with these softwares. Number 2, we will be covering how to upload the files to the server using an FTP software like FileZilla or QtFTP, which are both free to download as well. The third point will be how to create a brand new list on the autoresponder. So I'm going to use GetResponse for this example, but you can do the same thing on Aweber or Rocket Responder or any other service. And number 4, we will be covering how to make or create a form in the autoresponder software and then insert it into the squeeze page and re-upload that page one more time to the server. Alright, so once you download your free funnel, you can find 3 HTML pages in the images folder. This one is the squeeze page, this one is the download page, and this one is the thank you page or the bridge page, you will find also this personal use license. So what we need to do next is go ahead, use the FTP software, which is FileZilla in my case, and then upload the files to the server. So I'm going to use one of my websites, howtowebwork.com, and I'm going to right click on it and then create a directory and enter it. So for the sake of this example, I'm going to type test. This is the folder where my funnel will be, and OK. So now I'm inside of test. So howtowebwork.com/test. And I want to grab these files, all of them here, and drag them to and drop them into the server in the folder that is called test. So now, once these files are on the internet, on the server, I can go to the browser and enter this address, howtowebwork.com/test, and this is what I see. So this mention here is just to remind me that I need to enter the form code, the autoresponder form code here at this exact place. Now I need to go now to the autoresponder software, create a brand new list, and then create a form to insert on this page to collect leads, emails, address. So here I am on the dashboard of Get Response, and when you want to create a new list, you just come here, click on List, and then click on Create List. Here you need to find a name. So you're allowed to use letters, free. Let's put funnel, and then download. Alright, it has been created, and we need to do some settings on this new list. So I just come here and click on settings. This is the name of the list, this is the title of the list, this is the description. All these information are just for you. Your prospects will not see this, so I just keep it like it is, and I can just go ahead and paste this list name here. But the most important thing is to come here to subscription, because you need to fix one or two things here. So the first thing is to receive notifications when somebody opts in. You can activate it, and the double opt-in is required, so always activate this option here, that you need to that the prospect needs to go to his email address and then click on the confirmation page. So this is the double opt-in. And also the confirmation page, look at here, it says here, page your contacts see after they confirm the sign up. So this must be the download page. So I put here a custom URL. I will grab the URL from here and then come back. So this is my custom URL for the download page. So I know that my download page is inside the test folder. So all I have to do is add the file name, which is download.html. So this is the download page. Now I can just go ahead and save subscription settings. There is another thing here, but it's not very important. I always keep it by default, which is the confirmation message. Let's say someone put his email address into the form, and then he clicks the button. An email will be sent to his inbox. So you can like specify which is the subject line or the from address. So I keep it by default. Please confirm your subscription to this list here. So I save this, and now I have a brand new list here, and what I want is to create a form to put on my squeeze page. So I go to the menu here and click on this tab, Forms and Surveys. Once there, I want to create a new form, so I click on this button, and I don't want to go to complicated things. I just want to use a template, ready-made. So on the categories at the left hand side, I choose free download, and then I pick one that is simple to use. So let me take this one here. Use this template. Now it's loading. I want to make a few changes, like make it wider, and then I want to get rid of the name field. I don't want it, so I make this wider, this one as well, bring the button here to the middle. Of course, you can do lots of things here, changing the colors and changing the forms, the styles, but for this example I will just keep it like this. So one thing that is important here is to specify the bridge page. So the visitor or the prospect, when he inserts his email address and clicks the button, he will be taken to a bridge page or thank you page where we remind him to go ahead and confirm the subscription on his email inbox. So to do that, I need to click on settings here, and I want to go to choose thank you page here, and then I want to choose custom. So I need to insert the URL here where the prospect will be taken after inserting his email address. So it will be howtowebwork.com/test, and the page is called bridge. So bridge.html. And now I can just go ahead and save. So anyone that inserts his email address here and clicks the button, it will be taken to that bridge.html. And after that, when he goes to his email inbox, clicks the confirmation link, he will be taken to the download page. So what I'm going to do now is publish this form, and I will get a code, a JavaScript code to paste into the squeeze page to get that form appear. So let's do that right now. So right click and copy, and then I have here my HTML editor, and I want to replace this one here, insert form. I want to replace it with that script I took from GetResponse. I'm not going to do it here, but I'm going to click on this source tab at the bottom and find that word saying insert form here, which is right here. So select it and then paste the JavaScript form from GetResponse. Go back, and now I see the mention script here. So if I save, go back to the FTP, and then resend the index file to the server and overwrite the to go to the browser, and of course refresh the page. Yeah, this one. Alright, I just did the refresh, and you can see that the form is here. Okay, great. So everything now is linked together. We have a brand new email list on our autoresponder, GetResponse, and we made a form for that specific email address, and we were able to bring the code of that form and put it on the squeeze page save the squeeze page and re-upload it to the server. So now if someone comes to the page and likes what we are offering here, he will enter his email address, click the button, go to the confirmation page or the bridge page, and finds there the note saying please go ahead and confirm your email address, and then some promotions on that same page. After he goes to his email inbox, clicks the confirmation page, he will be brought to the download page where he can actually download the freebie. And this is exactly what is shown here in this picture here. So traffic, squeeze page, from the squeeze page, the bridge page, and in the same time the email address goes to the autoresponder, and from there, after the confirmation, the prospect will be taken to the download page to download the freebie. Alright, so don't hesitate, guys, to ask me questions down in the comment section, and also subscribe to my channel. I'll be very glad if you do that, and also activate the notifications so you will not miss my future videos. It was a pleasure talking to you today, and I will see you on the next video.